What will be the impact of the U.S. elections in the Philippines? Will there be changes in the Philippine-U.S. relations? Freddy Abando with this report.
The friendship of the Philippines and the United States spanned over 100 years, a friendship tested by all kinds of trials, tears, and tragedy shared in 2 world wars. But despite all these, the friendship has remained solid and strong. As Americans vote for their next president, the question that comes to mind is the impact it brings to the Philippines. Does it really matter if a Democrat or a Republican wins the elections?
The U.S. elections, of course, have a certain amount of importance to almost everybody in friends of the U.S. and so forth. But personally, although people think that the Democrats actually, in the past, have had closer ties with the Philippine government, and I personally believe that whichever candidate comes out, our relationship with the United States will remain as it is, which is friendly and to the mutual benefit of the 2 countries. If we draw lessons from their experience, and this is something that I've been observing with regard to U.S. politics, is we can draw lessons as far as political maturity is concerned. The debates are very passionate, very bitter, but I see that after the people have decided, they move on, and the bitterness is immediately receded into the background. I think this is something that we can learn from as far as Philippine politics is concerned.
The U.S. has long been the country's #1 trading partner. It's a major source of foreign and the leading destination of Philippine exports. Close to 4 million Filipinos are U.S. citizens. The United States provided official development assistance, and despite the withdrawal of U.S. forces in 1992, when the Senate voted not to extend the basis agreement, the U.S. continues to honor its mutual defense agreement. There is the Visiting Forces Agreement, which provides for joint military exercises, which ensures the readiness of the AFP and U.S. forces to contain threats. Whether U.S. President Barack Obama is given a new mandate for another 4 years or Republican candidate Mitt Romney wins the White House, the question is, how will U.S. policy evolve in the Philippines given the emerging status of China as a major economic and military power?
I don't think there's any way that we can associate China policy with whether one is Republican or one is Democrat. I think this will be decided on the basis of what is in the interest of the United States. That's why we have to be very alert on this. They will decide on the basis of their own interests, not on our interests, but their own interests. So the challenge to Philippine foreign policy architects would be how to anticipate this so that we can make our own adjustment.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.